These days, you hear a lot about making environmentally friendly choices. When it comes to keeping your home cool, the refrigerant inside your air conditioner plays a big role. That's where R-32 comes in. R-32 is a type of refrigerant, which is a fluid that absorbs heat in your air conditioner to cool your home. You see, older air conditioners used refrigerants that were harmful to the ozone layer. R-32 is much better for the environment because it has a lower impact on the ozone layer and contributes less to global warming. This makes it a popular choice in new air conditioning systems. So, what exactly is R-32? Well, it's a type of hydrofluorocarbon, or HFO, refrigerant. Don't let that long name scare you, it's just a fancy way of saying it's a compound designed to be safer for the planet. Now you might be wondering, if it's so great for the environment, how come we haven't been using it all along? Good question. R-32 is mildly flammable, so it needs to be handled with a bit more care than some older refrigerants. That's why it's important to understand the safety aspects of R-32 before you start tinkering with your air conditioner. Remember, safety first. In the next section, we'll take a closer look at what mildly flammable means and how to handle R-32 responsibly. Now let's dive a little deeper into the safety of R-32. As I mentioned earlier, R-32 is classified as mildly flammable. In technical terms, it has an A2L safety classification. What does that mean for you? It simply means that while R-32 can burn, it's not easy to ignite. Think of it like this: it's much harder to light a piece of damp wood than a dry one. R-32 is like the damp wood. It takes a lot of heat or a direct flame to get it burning. But remember, even though it's not highly flammable, safety is still paramount. The key to handling R-32 safely is to prevent any situations where it could ignite. This means ensuring you have good ventilation when working with it. Just like you wouldn't want to be stuck in a room full of smoke, you don't want R-32 to accumulate in an enclosed space. Another important safety measure is regular leak detection. Just like a leaky faucet can waste water, a leak in your air conditioner's refrigerant lines can release R-32 into the air. Regular checks using a leak detector can help identify and fix any leaks promptly. Remember, handling refrigerants safely is all about understanding their properties and taking the necessary precautions. When it comes to installing or maintaining an air conditioner that uses R-32 refrigerant, it's always best to call in the professionals. Certified HVAC technicians have the knowledge, experience, and specialized tools to handle R-32 safely and efficiently. They understand the importance of proper system sizing, leak prevention, and safe handling procedures. Think of it like this: you wouldn't attempt to rewire your entire house without calling a qualified electrician, right? Similarly, working with refrigerants requires specific training and expertise. Certified technicians are trained to handle refrigerant leaks, ensure proper ventilation, and dispose of old refrigerants responsibly. Even if you're not a trained technician, there are still some things you can do to ensure your R-32 system runs smoothly and safely. Schedule yearly maintenance checks with a qualified technician to keep your system in tip-top shape. During these checks, the technician will inspect the system for leaks, clean the coils, and ensure the refrigerant charge is at the optimal level. Working with any type of refrigerant, including R-32, is a job best left to the professionals. They undergo rigorous training and certification processes to ensure they can handle these substances safely and responsibly. These certifications aren't just about protecting the technicians themselves, but also about safeguarding you, your family, and the environment. Remember that using R-32 safely goes hand in hand with following local regulations and industry standards. The EPA, or Environmental Protection Agency, and ASHRAE, which stands for the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning Engineers, set strict guidelines for handling refrigerants to minimize environmental impact and ensure safety. By choosing an R-32 system and having it installed and maintained by certified professionals, you're not only making an environmentally responsible choice, but also ensuring the safe and efficient operation of your air conditioner for years to come. R-32 offers a fantastic combination of energy efficiency and environmental friendliness, but it's crucial to remember that safety should always be the top priority.